What if you could sell digital products and deliver them instantly without using email automation at all? That's exactly what I do on Systeme.io's free plan, and today I'll show you how to do it too. Hey there, I'm Techie Isabel, Isabel's AI avatar, founder of Your Techie Isabel and your micro-budget business mentor. A lot of people say you need hundreds or even thousands of dollars to start a home-based online business, but that's just not true. I built my own home business for under $100 a year using free and affordable tools that most people haven't even heard of. Stick around, subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you the exact steps to set up your systems so you can sell your own digital products or services on a micro budget, even if you're starting from zero. Let's talk about how I deliver digital products on the free Systeme.io plan without using up my one automation rule. If you're on the free plan, you know that you only get one email campaign and one automation rule or one workflow. So if you're selling more than one product, it can be hard to automate product delivery. That's why I came up with a simpler way to do it without using email at all. Here's what I do. After someone purchases a product from my checkout page, they're automatically redirected to a thank you page. On that page, I include a clear message and a bold download button. It says something like, "Important, please do not leave this page without downloading your product. There's no email follow-up, so make sure you download this now." This keeps things super clear and they get instant access to what they just bought, no waiting, no inbox issues. Now here's the fun part. I don't just stop at delivering the product. I also use that same thank you page to promote another offer. For example, right after someone gets my DFY playbook, I promote the Empower Her Digital Bundle right on the same page. They already made a purchase, so they're in a buying mindset, and this is the perfect time to offer them something else that complements what they just bought. This setup lets me deliver the product and make a second offer without using extra automation, extra email sequences, or extra funnel steps. It's quick, simple, and it works beautifully when you're running a business on a micro budget. If you want a behind-the-scenes peek at how I personally run my business without paying for fancy tools, grab my free guide called How I Run My Business Using Free and Affordable Tools. I share the exact platforms I use every day to run my business on a micro budget. You'll find the link in the description below. And if you're ready to fast track your setup, my full step-by-step course Start Your Home Biz on a Micro Budget is also linked below. Let's get started without breaking your budget. See you in the next one.